guys, welcome to my channel. And our agenda for today is pupunta tayo ng studio. Magre-record kami ng kanta. Yeah, I actually guys bought this from, it's not a sponsor by the way. I actually bought this on TikTok. Sivago. Yeah, I love this guys, ceramic tumbler. And actually guys, bago tayo pupunta ng studio, kaka-release lang namin ng kanta ko. My lang it's called Ceiling by KJ by me. And yung full music video nun, andun lang sa Email Productions channel, YouTube channel. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa baba. Kanina pa pala ako salita ng salita, tapos di pala naka-on yung mic ko. May mga bata, di ko alam kung naririnig niyo yun kasi nakasaksak kasi yung receiver ng mic ko, ng lavalier ko. So, sayang. Yung mga bata doon na nagpapa-shout out. Ganyan yung daan. Oh shit, look at that sunset guys. You know, I'm using only phone right now. So, hindi nyo siya masyadong may enjoy kasi yung pangit ng camera ko. Sana makabili rin tayo ng pangarap ko yung I dream about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 guys. And so expensive, you know. It's about 21,000 something like that. So ang mahal niya. So andito na tayo sa pinatuktok. But yeah, take a look. Right guys, di ba ang ganda? There. Let me know sa Homesick guys kung let me know sa Homesick guys kung gusto nyo bang dadalhin ko kayo dito palagi every afternoon about my vlog. I just noticed the sunset guys na like I don't know if you can see but sobrang cool. Maybe ignorant lang ako. Wow, I enjoy a lot. I enjoyed a lot of being here, guys. Pero, so ngayon, parang gusto ko pa magmuni-muni dito. Mag-film muna tayo dito, guys. Kasi, ang ganda ng sunset. Pero di ko alam kung saan siya ilalagay. I mean, yung cam. Look at the view, guys. Look at the view here. Right? So nostalgic, guys. Damn. Yeah. And then hopefully soon, I can get my own camera to film myself for vlogging, you know, for short film or something like daily. So now, guys, now we're almost there. Now, as you can see, may mga bata dito. Lapitan natin sila. Dito. Hi. Ano sa'yo gibuhat? Ano na? Bula? Castle? I don't know. They're too shy to speak, guys. Say hi. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah. I don't know. Nag-i-enjoy sila. I mean, naiingit ako. I'll be back, guys. Kailangan ko lang tumawid dito. Sobrang may dagat pa kasi doon. So, bye-bye. So now, So now guys, I'm here at home na. And then magluluto siguro tayo. Yeah, I'll be back. So now I'm headed to the studio. It's already 7 p.m. Yeah, I'll be back. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that, look at that moon. Oh, my camera is so bad. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, but yeah, I think I must find a better place to capture that moon. I'll be back. Sorry, it's dark, guys. And yeah, update lang. Wala tayong makitang better spot para i-capture yung yung moon. Pero yun, dito na tayo sa studio. Papasok na tayo. So yun, dito na tayo. Pasok na tayo sa studio. Yan. Here we go.
Nasa gamit, example.